Hey everybody, welcome back. It is day 24. It is the last day of my advent calendar. So we're just gonna dig right in. Again, if you wish to follow Lozzie, all of her information is down below. That's who created this advent calendar for me. And you can go back and watch all of them. They are there for you guys to see. Today's clue is I know you, so I got you two. One to keep and one for you to do. But let's open it up and see. Some sort of book. It's something to do with One Piece. That is awesome. Okay. So it's a coloring book. Wait, is it like a watercolor or is it that I color it? I love this. Thank you, Lozzie. Thank you so much, Lozzie. I love everything that you've gotten me in the kits. In the advent calendar. I can't wait to start doing a lot of the kits. That's what I meant to say. Guys, if you aren't following me, I know I say this to everyone. If you're not following me over on Twitch on Mondays and Wednesdays around 5:15, 6 o'clock. Between that time, I usually start streaming. I'm doing crafts on those days now instead of Saturdays. I do it right after work, so Eastern Standard Time. Probably around 6 is what I'm planning on doing. Make sure you're following me so you can see whenever I do crafts. I'm going to try, my New Year's goal is to try to start to upload more on my channel again. Probably journaling. I was also thinking about doing, like, you remember when I first started so many years ago, I used to do videos every day, and it was usually like a little polymer clay thing. I'm thinking about going back to those videos and like redoing them and doing like a side-by-side comparison so you guys can see. Let me know if that's a good idea or not. I'm trying to think of things for the new year. I gotta get back to doing creative things again. But everybody have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And I will see you all soon. Bye.